FarmCommand data overlays enable you to integrate multiple combinations of application data, yield data, field zones, satellite imagery, treatment areas, and crop health maps to interpret your farm data. To create this view, start on the map screen, select the field, then select Field Analysis. When the new map opens, use the toolbar at the bottom to select your first map. I'm going to select the zone map. Next, go to the map option at the top right of the screen and select Save As. This opens a new screen with a blank field. Click the field and then select the layer icon. That opens the toolbar at the bottom where you will select the second map. I'll use NDVI imagery. With that loaded, I'll go back to Maps at the top right and click the map icon on Main to create a toggle. As you can see, I'm able to see both maps on the screen and easily compare and contrast the two. Thanks for watching, and we hope you leverage this tool to make informed, data-driven decisions that optimize productivity on your farm.